Here is wishing you all Sambit Mukherjee 360-degree family a very happy new year. May all your dreams and wishes come true in this new year. Hey guys, welcome to Sambit Mukherjee 360 degrees. My name is Sambit and I love to explore the roads and the surroundings wherever I visit or stay. You see, all my videos are very interesting, valuable and informative. So consider subscribing my channel. Like, share and comment your valuable insights and suggestions in the comment section below this video. I have provided the links of some of the playlists as I button on the top right hand corner of this video. You can click the I button and check the playlists. Watch today's video till the end to get the most out of it. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Guys, on this auspicious occasion of New Year, today we'll go and try having lunch in a new restaurant. Let's see how the experience goes. Actually, we did not have any plans of having lunch there. We went there for some work and while returning we saw this restaurant, and since it was late afternoon and we were feeling hungry too, so we thought of just giving it a try. In today's video, I'll tell you what was my experience about that restaurant. This particular restaurant is next to the ICICI Bank branch Hinjewadi. So if you want to go from the township, you have to start from the township, go through the Marunji market and then take the new road as we are doing right now. We will pass through the Vibgyo school and then reach the Padma Bhushan Chowk, from where we'll take a right turn. We have reached the Padma Bhushan Chowk and now we'll take a right turn from here. We have almost reached the restaurant. Now the biggest problem would be to search for a parking area. Let me see if I can find one parking area. Great, we got one. We just got out of the car and are preparing to enter the restaurant. Thanks to the dashcam, now we will be able to see all three of us going to the restaurant. First of all, let's take my trademark 360-degree angle view from the front of this restaurant. While I was taking this clip, you can see my spouse and my toddler son waiting at the entrance for me. There you see the name of the restaurant, Pind Punjab. We were asked to go to the next room, which is next to where my spouse and son is standing. That's the AC room of this restaurant. There you can see the ICICI Bank partially on the left hand side, which is orange in color. Next we will see the interior of the restaurant. The ambience there was awesome because they were continuously playing 70s Hindi hits. I purposefully deleted the background music because I feared copyright hits. as was the case with the Ganesha Puja video of Life Republic. First thing first, let's take a 360-degree angle view of this AC room of the restaurant. We were really delighted. You get delighted when you get above your expectations. We did not expect this kind of hospitality. Let me tell you why we were delighted. You see all the cutlery here, they are sanitized and packed in plastic paper. Next to it is kept mineral water. Look at the seating arrangement, it looks so exotic, and they have decorated with balloons and some statues, small doll statues. The moment we entered, they switched on all the ACs and it became so cold that my spouse asked them to switch off all the ACs. Although I had removed the background music due to copyright hits issues, the music was so awesome. You can see Adit dancing on its tune. Guys, if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with all your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Poor Adit, he got so tired that he fell asleep on my shoulder. Here you can see me checking the menu. Now let's check the menu list of this restaurant. Now the cutlery which they had provided us was of really very good quality. It was made out of stainless steel and they were pretty heavy. And I believe if anything is heavy, they are of good quality. The plates, the glasses, the spoons were having some kind of weight. I have prepared multiple playlists and some of the playlists I have highlighted as I buttons on the top right hand corner of this video. Whenever it comes up, you can click and view them. In case you want to check all the other playlists and videos, I have mentioned all the links in the description below. You can go down there and check all the playlists and videos. This is good. You get Chinese cuisine in Punjab restaurant. So that was the menu list of this restaurant. We ordered butter roti and mutton lal mas along with one cold drink. And look at the cold drink. The theme of the bottle is really awesome and my spouse loved that theme very much. The mutton lal mas was given in this pan which looked really awesome. So we felt like that this concept was really new, including those sanitized cutleries and mineral water. Even the cool drink bottle was really good. Everything in this restaurant was really awesome. Only two little things which I felt would qualify as cons is that it would have been better if they had provided the butter rotis in a bamboo basket instead of this metal container. And the second part is there is no hand wash area in this AC room. You have to go to the next room to wash your hands. Apart from the small two issues, this restaurant experience was really awesome. Guys, let me know how you liked this video by commenting in the comment section below this video. Give it a big thumbs up in case you liked it and share it with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once we placed our orders, they did not take much time to serve us. So here also one plus point. The food was really very tasty. In fact, we ordered few more butter rotis. That's all guys for now. Thank you for watching this video till the very end. I hope you liked this video. In case you did, support me free of charge by subscribing my channel and hitting the notification bell. Share my videos and playlists to all your friends and family members and ask them to subscribe and click the notification bell. Like and post your valuable views in the comment section below. I'll catch you back in my next episode. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Goodbye. Peace.